Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you the new WhatsApp updates you need to know and then how to just activate it so that you'll be able to get a rich and nice convo with your friends. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So this new feature is actually animated news stickers WhatsApp has added. So in order to get this animated stickers right here so that your chats you'll be having with people is going to be very rich and very nice, what you need to do is you hit on this emoji sign at the left side right here, and you're going to hit on this plus sign at the right corner right here, and you're going to see all the new stickers WhatsApp has presented to us. So you're going to see new right here and a new right here, and what you need to do is you click on this sign pointing to the down like this, and you're going to download whatever sticker you want to download. So you can look through to check which ones you want. You can even hit on it like this in order to just preview it and see how it looks like before maybe you can just download it. So you tap on it like this and then it will preview, and then you'll be able to see which ones you like before you try adding them to your stickers. So this is one cool feature I think is going to be helpful for you, and then you can just try it out, because adding animated stickers to your chats are going to make it very entertaining and then nice, and it's going to make your WhatsApp chat with people or the convo you're having with people very lively. So after you add them, what you're going to do is you go back like this, and then you're going to go to your sticker column like this, and you're going to see a green spot right there which shows you have been able to add the stickers, and you can just send it to people anytime you want, and it's going to make your chat very rich. So that is one cool thing, or one cool feature I think WhatsApp has added, and that is basically very nice. It's going to make our chats we have with people very rich. So give this video a thumbs up anytime, and so that it reaches a lot of people, and it's going to really help the channel. So if you still want to create your own animated stickers or your own stickers by yourselves, I'm going to leave a link to the video in my description so that you'll be able to try it yourself and then create your own stickers you want to create. So I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then catch you in the next one. Peace.